This kind of glass skin can feel like an impossible task to do on acne-prone skin because it's never as smooth and it never wears as well. But it is possible, and it's all about the skin prep, so let me show you how I take my skin from this to this. The key ingredient in all the products I'm using today is called NAD, which is a biological molecule already found naturally in our bodies. You'll find a lot of celebrities love this ingredient because it naturally depletes in our bodies as we age, so using it in your skincare can help replenish these levels and lead to more plump and radiant skin. We love that. So I'm starting by using the Youth Activating Essence from Invity. This essence is like the primer of the skincare world. It helps everything you put on top of it be more effective. And since hydration is key to long-lasting makeup, we need all the help we can get. As you can see, it's a really light consistency, so it doesn't feel too heavy on the skin. This one also helps to even skin tone, and I've also found that it does soothe a lot of the redness that I get in the really aggressive acne spots. Next, I'm using the Youth Activating Micro Emulsion. This is what's going to give you that intense, hydrated glass skin look. You can see that it's super high shine, but it's also very lightweight, so it's not going to sit on top of the skin and pill all your makeup. I love an emulsion. My skin is skinning. And then to finish, I'm using an SPF 50 mineral sunscreen because we want to protect our skin from any further damage. This one offers broad spectrum protection, and while it does apply white, once you rub it in, it doesn't leave any sort of white cast behind. And the sunblock is just added to our glow without being super greasy either. And then I'm using a concealer to cover the worst of my spots. Then I'm using a nice light coverage foundation. And even just applying that with my fingers, look how smoothly it's applying. And that is my glass skin base routine. And this is my skin later in the day. It's still fresh and glowy, and it's all thanks to our skin prep. I've done this so many times now, and trust me, the routine works.